So today we're going to be trying to get this puppy started so I could actually drop it off at a repair shop to kind of verify all the steering linkages and everything underneath to see what it needs, what it doesn't need, and that way I could actually finalize my cost on, because right now I have all sorts of parts listed and my budget is just insane, and I'm trying to knock that down. And so, you know, I don't know whether a steering linkage is good or not, and so they do. And so I'm gonna pay the $100, have them go through the whole vehicle, and let me know what needs repair and what doesn't need a repair, and then kind of take it back from there and start the process. I'm thinking I might have to steal my battery out of the 33, which I really don't want to do.
Yeah, the starter there.
Yeah, the starter wasn't even turning.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm always moving 1 millimeter forward instead of all the way forward.
Good.
Yeah, I got it into.
Oh, you got, so that's what it was. It's solenoid.
Let me out, Smokey.
Nice smoke.
You know, I got it into second gear when I first started, and then I couldn't get it into second gear as I was going the rest of the time.
And it's a stick.
3 in the tree.
So you get first and third?
Well, I was getting reversed. I was getting first. Hey. Oh, I was getting second for a while, but then I couldn't get afterwards. And then I didn't know which was reverse or third, so I didn't attempt.
Okay.
So,
Uh-huh.
and then when I pushed on the brakes, it pulled heavy to the right. So I'm
Okay.
thinking this is grabbing and the other ones aren't.
Uh-huh.
So,
Yeah.
and the gasket on these things is a pain in the ass to get to fit right.
Yeah. It could,
Unless it's exhaust.
it
might
could be.
exhaust.
Yeah, and it could be like there's probably right here, there's probably a gasket right here also could be leaking.
Right.
Could be this one here.
Right.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the so what did you use? Oh, you used the car battery.
Yeah.
Why wonder?
I don't know what the deal is, but it won't start without the battery. So.
Huh.
So I kind of feel like I'm just gonna have to do that, steal it, and
Yeah.
it's not too bad taking that battery out. I just know the more I take it in and out, the Allen wrench is gonna strip, you know.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. I got a new solenoid. I stole my 33 battery and threw it in here just to get this thing running. It doesn't seem to want to run without a battery, even though it has an alternator, but I'm sure there's some electronics that just need the juice or something. So in any case, this thing's ready to go down to the shop. I lost my pedal rubber, ripped off. Gas pedal's not looking too good, but I was able to get in the first gear, then I was able to go second gear. I didn't know which was reverse or third, so I didn't try it. And then I wasn't able to get in the second gear about a block away, so I didn't force it, just stayed in first, cruised around. Last time I took it out, everything worked, so I think it just it's not a big deal or adjustment or something. But in any case, all that stuff's gonna get gone through, so it doesn't matter. I just need to get 1 mile down the road. When I hit the brakes, man, it really lunged to the right, so I think the brakes are grabbing hard on the right side and not so much on the left. But yeah, pretty psyched for getting this thing ready to go. Everything's looking good, everything's running, and we're just waiting for a call from the shop to drop it off. And once we do that, we'll see where we're at with this thing and start doing a real evaluation on how we're going to approach everything, and go from there. So I wanted to just show you the violence that I have in my neighborhood when it comes to trying to protect this van. It just literally ripped it in half, and then the gust every once in a while just gets insane. Alright, so we had to get a new one because it's going to be a little bit before I can get it down to the shop. There's a little situation at the shop where they had to delay for a few weeks. So in any case, stuff happens. That's how it is. So I got another brand new. I think this is pretty sure this is number 7, maybe number 6. They only last about 4 to 6 months and then they die. And you know, I thought the car was going to be done like a year and a half earlier than it was, just due to everything going on in the world. And so here we are, another one more cover. But we're going to get this down the shop soon and see what happens. Until next time, have a great day.